I want to show you how you can tie the Gele ARA wraparound. Gele ARA wraparound is very unique. It's not your regular gele. It comes very classy. For ladies, you want to stand out from the crowd. You want something different, not your regular thing. It has two hands. You're going to divide it in two equal parts. These two hands, divide it in two equal parts. Start with 1 or 2 pleats. Take it all the way to the back. Can you see? Take it a little to the back. Can you see? So your forehead is showing. Then the first hand, you're going to take it all the way to the back again. Then the second hand. Make sure it's very firm. This is my second hand. I'm going to take it all the way to the back. Then the two hands, I'm going to tie it at the back. You can tie it twice at the back. You can use it as well. It should be friends of the bride for your party. So that's the Gele ARA wraparound. So order yours today. We have it available at Ojulewa. We do shipping worldwide. Send us a message right now. We can't wait to hear from you. Thank you.